Make a fine paste of coriander leaves, 2 chilies, ginger and garlic, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I have used half a cup of curd to marinate the chicken. Keep it for marination for around 30 minutes or 1 hour. I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken. I have used basmati rice. These are 90% like cooked basmati rice. I have made it ready. Here simultaneously you all can saute 4 sliced onions till it turns brown in color and very soft to garnish the biryani. When you prepare the rice, okay, you need to wash the basmati rice and soak the basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. After soaking it for 30 minutes, drain out all the water and then you can cook it till it turns around like 90% cooked. Here I have taken coriander leaves to garnish, and after 30 minutes of marination I have allowed it to cook the chicken for around 40 minutes. Here I have taken 7 onions, 3 chilies, 1 cup of pudina, okay, and make a fine paste and keep it ready. This is the masala I have used. Saute the masala in oil and then you add that paste, which is onion, chili, pudina. That paste you have to add it in masala. I have used here 2 tablespoons of Surya mutton masala and garam masala. Add that masala in the gravy of biryani, okay, and allow it to cook for some time by adding little water. I have also used 2 Maggi cubes, that also I have added, and add some little amount of water and cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes till all the ingredients are mixed properly and the masala is thick. Then you add 2 tablespoons of curd. Afterwards, after adding curd, you can add little amount of water and allow it to cook for some time. Then you can add cooked chicken in the gravy and mix it very well. And allow it to cook for some time. Sometimes means like 10 to 15 minutes till you get a nice thick gravy. So for garnishing, what I have taken 1 container and I have added first layer. I have added rice, then the gravy, then onion, sauteed brown onion, okay. I have garnished. Then you can add coriander leaves. Then again you have to add rice, then same gravy, then onions, then same thing you all need to do, repeat. Garnish with coriander leaves. and rice, then again same thing. Okay, so what I have to give dum to the biryani, I have taken one tawa and kept that container on top of that tawa. I have covered that container with foil paper. Okay, and now applied some atta so that it is properly tied, closed properly, and then on a low flame we have to keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes.